Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sign out of your Bitget account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign out from your Bitget account, you just simply have to open the Bitget application. And after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this homepage. Now in here, you just simply have to tap into top left corner. And after tapping in there, you will get to see your profile. Just simply open your profile. And after that, you will get to see your profile where you can directly see it. You will get to see log out into very last. Just simply tap to log out and then your account will be logged out or sign out successfully. This way you can also log out of your Bitget account. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.